Let's solve this challenging integral step by step. We need to find what k equals to in this integral equation. To solve this, let's start with the left side of the equation. The first step is to rationalize the denominator by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The denominator becomes the difference of squares. Backslash sqrt x plus b caret 2 minus backslash sqrx plus c caret 2, which simplifies to x plus b minus x plus c, giving us bc. Now, we can split this into two separate integrals. 1 over bc times the integral of backslash sqrt x plus b dx plus the integral of backslash sqrt x plus c dx. Let's solve each integral using substitution. For the first integral, let u equal x plus b, so do equals a dx. This gives us 1 over a times the integral of backslash sqrt u do, which equals 2/3 over a times u to the 3/2. Similarly, for the second integral, we get 2/3 over a times x plus c to the 3/2. Combining these results and factoring out the common terms, we get 2/3 over 8bc times the sum of x plus b to the 3/2 plus x plus c to the 3/2. Now, comparing this with our original right-hand side, we can see that k must equal 8bc. Therefore, we have found that k equals a times the quantity b minus c, which is our final answer.